In this video, I will introduce to you VideoProc Vlogger. VideoProc Vlogger is a free video editor offering many interesting tools you must try. First download it for free and then install it. Double-click and open VideoProc Vlogger. Click New Project and then tap the plus button and select the videos or photos you want to edit. Drag the video to the timeline, then click on Fit Size and after that click on the Motion button. Now I will show you how to create a zoom-in motion in your video with one click. Click on the zoom-in preset in VideoProc. Vlogger will automatically do it for you. As you can see in the upper part of the screen, there are points that mark the places where the effect starts and ends. You can move and adjust those points as you see fit. I moved the end point so that I was in the center of the frame. When you are done, tap on Apply and then export the video. This is what my video looks like now. Now I'm going to show you more cool motion effects that you can use for your photos and videos. Once you've added a photo or video, click Motion. Even beginners can create cinematic camera movements like tilt, roll, dolly, and truck easily. Add push and out and close-up shots to vlogs through presets. Stylize your videos with shakes, fast zooms, and rotation. Every video and photo can have new motion trails. This tool can improve your videos and make them professional, and the program is completely free. You can find the link in the video description. When you have chosen the effect, click on Apply and then export the video. You can see a few more examples here. This tool can help you create short videos for social media. Any photo can be turned into an interesting video. Add your video to the timeline. Now click on the text option at the top of the screen and then select Title 1. Drag the text to the timeline. Click on the text editor and then on Edit Text. Write your text and then adjust the size and position. position of the text. Now go to the text border, choose a color, and set it as I did. Now select the animation you like and click on Apply. Now you can export your video. In order to create this effect, you need to record a video with a white background and download some interesting video. The link of the video used is in the description. The first thing I did was change the format at 9:16 because my video is in that format. Drag the downloaded video to your timeline. Enlarge the video on right side of the screen. Now drag your video to timeline. Now go to Transform and click on Width. After that, reduce the saturation as I did. Now I'm going to copy the first video and paste it, and I'm going to reverse it and match it with my video. Click on second video and then select Lighten Blend Mode. Export. Add the video in which you want to change the color. Click the color button and then select the color you want to change. Now you need to move the hue slider to the left or to the right in order to adjust the shade change you want. Now you can adjust the saturation and luminance. Once you've set everything, tap Apply. Export. Now I will show you how to change the color in a photo. The process is the same as for videos. For this effect you need to record a video with a green screen. I made a video where I added a green background. You need to add a black background to the timeline. Then tap on Effects and select the Digital Numbers effect. Apply the effect to your video, then export it. Now you need to add the saved video to VideoProc. After that, add a video with a green screen. Drag the video with numbers to the timeline, and then add the green screen video to the timeline. Now match the videos. Now go to Transform and click on Width. After that, go to Chrome key and select your color. Now enable Chrome key and then adjust tolerance and smoothness. Now you can export the video.